Today's video is sponsored by Boca Bearings, the official bearing of Cougar Strong Racing.
All right, Miles, what can you tell us about the Diverse Power Grand Prix next weekend?
Well, first of all, we really want to thank Diverse Power for sponsoring this event for the third consecutive year in a row. We really do appreciate their support.
This year, the track is going to be at a different location at Gardner Newman Middle School. And the track is going to be different, so we think we're going to have a lot of fun.
Today I'm here with Lane Lamerson, the team leader on Cougar Strong 000 team. And Lane, what can you tell us about the Diverse Power Grand Prix schedule this weekend?
Well, we'll basically be using the same schedule that we used for the Columbus Grand Prix. Our drivers' meeting is set up to start around 9:30, and the first heat will be from 10 to 11:30. After that, we'll have about an hour and a half for lunch, and right after lunch, heat 2 will start, and that's from 1:15 to 2:45. And then 15 minutes later is awards at 3 o'clock.
I'm here with Hayden Pope, the pit manager on the 000 team. And what's lunch looking like, Hayden?
Well, it depends on the weekend, but this weekend we're going to have some of the Cougar Strong Racing moms to cook us hot dogs. We also have invited a new team called South Girard Junior High to come eat with us, so that should be fun.
Today I'm here with Wade England, the pit crew chief of Cougar Strong Racing 000 team. Wade, it was a devastating blow losing the 999 last week. How will you change that this next week?
I think that during lunch we weren't doing enough, and we went to eat before we worked on the car. So we need everybody getting together as a team, all hands on deck, working on the car before we go and eat, and making sure it's good to race.
Are there any other changes you might make?
Not really. We did good last time. We're just gonna keep the same game plan.
Okay, thank you.
Another cool thing happening at this race is Mr. Graham's 2 9-week elective classes have finished building their F-24s and going to be racing with us.
This also is the first time that 5 cars from one school have been racing on the track.
We hope to see y'all out there watching some of the action. It's free, and we know if y'all come, you'll have a blast.
We have to put that in a blue crease.